Please attend very carefully. So all of you switch on the video first. All of you switch on the video. Shubham, Sana switch on the video. Hadi, everybody, please switch on the video. I am going to talk certain important things to you. Sana, switch on the video. Hadi, switch on the videos. You see, Sana, uh, last day from the newspaper, you might have known the new policy of examinations given by CBSE. Did you hear about that? No. Please attend very carefully. CBSE has changed the examination pattern for this year, foreseeing the pandemic. So, this kind of cancellation of examination will not be there in your batch. Clear now? Instead of conducting the annual examination in the month of March or April, CBSE has changed the pattern into SA1, SA2, old system. And this is called as term 1 examinations and term 2 examinations. Clear? Attend very carefully. Term 1 examination will be conducted in the month of November or December. Term 1 with 50% portions. With 50% portions. Term 2 examination will be conducted in the month of March with second 50% portions. In class 10, we have conducted first 50% portion, second 50% portion, isn't it? Like that. And the first 50% portion will not be coming for the second 50 portion. So you have to study and write the exam of 50% portion only. So here there are two ways of thinking. Grishma thinks that up to December I won't study. From January onwards, I will study from the very beginning and I will study the whole book and I will get 98% marks. She was thinking like that. So I could enjoy up to December. And she studies 3 months and she gets 98% mark. Well and good. But this is not possible now. What you have to write the 50%, first 50% portion, its exam will be in the month of November. And after that, that will not be coming. So if you don't study the first 50% properly, your marks in the first exam will be lost. And on the same day of the examination, like practical, the same day that mark will be uploaded to CBSE. So your exam will be over, evening, your mark will be sent to CBSE. Then there cannot be changed. After writing, Aishwarya left three questions, three one-mark questions. Then Aishwarya came to me, sir, I know the answer, but I forgot to write. Sir, please add 3 marks. These are the answers. Please add 3 marks. I cannot do it, Aishwarya, because the mark is already sent to CBSE. So first term, Aditya, first term marks are very, very important. So attendance is must. Attendance is must. Otherwise, and another thing, the first term examination question paper will be sent to you from CBSE. Karthik, question paper will be coming from CBSE. And external examiners will come for conducting the examination. Not we. Some teachers from outside will come. Like board exam, it will be board exam. 2 board exams will be there. And first term, Anjo, first term exam will be of 1.5 an hour. 90 minutes, Sana, 90 minutes and 90 questions. Hmm? Sir, time is less. Time is less. I don't know. Amalraj, 90 questions, 90 minutes. All the 90 questions, Ashish, all will be MCQ. Ashish is thinking MCQ. What is the name of the poet? What is the name of the lesson? No, no, no. MCQ will be reason based. You have to think for 5 minutes, but answer is for 1 second, one word. That also will be in just a minute, just a minute, just a minute. See, clear. MCQ. And it will be written not in your school paper, OMR sheet. OMR sheet. There are rounds. You have to mark it with a pencil. I have taught you how to write OMR sheet in the class 10 examination. One front page I have given you. You see, Joshi sir has given you training 1 year before, 2 years before, isn't it? That way, that sheet will be given to you. In that, and that will be given to the computer scanner. Computer will read your mark. It is very dangerous. Anila, it is very dangerous. So, proper learning, proper training is very important. So, be serious. Be serious. This is a digital examination or digital valuation. Valuation of the paper will be digital. Computer will read your mark. So if you shade it improper way, your mark will be lost. Clear now? This is about the term examination. Second term, there will be question answers and MCQ as a normal paper. So let us be very serious. Let us be very serious. Prepare the lessons very well. I will arrange the exams accordingly. Prepare the exams very well. Don't leave. Today I could see 3-4 people are there, very, very important people. Eh? Absent from the class. Today my call will be going there. Don't take leave from the classes. If you miss the class, you will be the loser. So be very serious. Don't think that till now I didn't say because annual examination we will make you study at the last moment and we will get mark. Now this is not possible. This is not possible. Whatever is lost, it is lost. You have no time to study because April, March, April, June, 3 months class is already over for the first term exam going to be conducted in November. We are not going to conduct the revision in the month of April. No, the exam will be coming. So patch up, prepare very well with the exams. Okay, this is very important. Absence will be noted. And internal marks, 20 marks, will be based on your attendance. Attendance. Hereafter, attendance will be given to the students with video. With video. Attendance will be given to the students who are coming to the platform with the video. And I will tell the teachers, those students who are regularly not coming, regularly they do not come with the video, thereafter their names will be removed from the board. Names will be removed. Today I removed one person. I told, if you want, you can switch on the video. If you do not switch on the video, 3 times I told, I removed the name. I won't permit to attend my class. That I will tell the teacher also. If anybody, that I can one thing I can understand, you are on the video, in between maybe the internet may be weak, so photo may be gone out, because I am recording this thing, because I inform you this is the system. Don't tell that I did not hear. Recorded, it is recorded. That is why this is very important. If regular attendance without video will be considered absence, and attendance, I am, you see, I am keeping regular attendance with me. I am keeping regular attendance. All the teachers are keeping the regular attendance. It is submitted. So attendance will be considered. Suppose your marks are very less, accordingly, internal assessment mark also will come down. Whether if you want to consider, you should have some positive remarks in the class. Your assignments, your projects, your portfolio, your subject enrichment, art integration works, your attendance in the class, your videos, your responses in the class, all these will be considered for internal assessment. What I am saying, all these things, everything it is for you. You want to get good marks, these things, because we cannot give the marks like that, random, we cannot give. We have to give on the basis of the performance. That is why I told you. So that is why very well before I tell you, all should attend the classes with the videos. Absence, if there is any emergency for you, many are informing me. You inform me, I can permit, I can consider it. Otherwise, without the information coming and going, that will not be there. Because these exams are very serious. It is not as we expected. That is why, in order to make you understand. Okay, now let us come to the lesson. Page number 89. Okay. The governor stood up. Tell me one thing before we go to the jail. How on earth did you get all that blood to pour over your head? Underline. My dear Evans, how did you get that fresh blood that you poured on the head? Evans suddenly looked a little happier. Evans was very happy because I am going to teach this governor something clever, sir. Very clever that was. How to get a couple of pins of blood into a cell. You just think it is a clever idea. How can we bring fresh blood into a cell in the jail when there is no one there to start off with, and when the invigilator shall we say, see, underline, invigilator shall we say. What is the meaning of that usage? He was not the real invigilator. That is the meaning. Let us say he is the invigilator, but he was not the invigilator. We had seen that original invigilator was sitting inside his room. Shall we say that invigilator gets searched before he comes in? Yes, sir. You can well ask about that. And I don't know if I ought to tell you. What should I say? I don't know. After all, I might want to use that particular anything to do with a little rubber ring for piles, perhaps. You see, underline. To do with the little rubber ring, rubber tube with pile for piles. Evans grinned feebly. That so-called invigilator brought the blood in the tube. He smiled. Clever though, wasn't it? Must have been a tricky job sticking a couple of pins. Nah, you have got it wrong, sir. No problem about that. No, It is not a problem for us because it is clotting. Blood will be clotted. Blood will be clotted. That is the big trouble in front of us. It was the big trouble. What? Clotting of the blood. We got the blood easy enough. We got the blood easy enough. Pig's blood. The blood of a pig. It was from the slaughter's house in Kidlington. In Kidlington, there was slaughter's house. From there, the so-called invigilator collected pig's blood. But to stop it clotting, you have got to mix your actual blood. You see, in order to stop clotting, you have to mix something with the actual blood. You have to mix with, underline, with, you have to read like that. But, you see how I am reading? But to stop it clotting, you have to mix, then put the arrow down. You have to mix with 1/10 of its own volume of 3.8% trisodium citrate. A technique is given to you, Adile. A technique is given to you. If you add a trisodium citrate, 3.8 trisodium citrate to blood, it will not be clotted. Underline that. With 1/10 of its own volume of 3.8% trisodium citrate. Governor Sahib, Governor, didn't you know these kind of things? What a governor you are. What a governor you are. In Delhi, there is farmers strike for around 4 or 5 months. I asked Shubham Shubham how the strike is going on, farmers strike. So Shubham is asking me, sir, farmers strike? What? What? खेती बाड़ी क्या है? Then I am asking him, Are Shubham, eh? What do you don't you know about farmers strike? So Shubham says, Corona, sir. I am sitting inside the room. Corona, sir. I am not going out. The same thing. Same thing. Don't bite the pen. You will become Evans. Okay. So he is asking, don't you know? Didn't you know that the governor shook his head in a token of reluctant admiration. Ambada Veera. Even IPS officer, I do not know. You know the technique. Clever. Reluctant acceptance. Reluctant admiration. Reluctant admiration. Governor did not admire the prisoner. Governor could not say sabash to him. But he had to say. He had to say. Ashish had a marriage function today. Ashish, a marriage function. His mummy has gone for marriage. Yesterday, he called me and asked, Sir, tomorrow there is a marriage. Shall I take a leave? I told, for after last 3, 4, 5 days, I am coming for the first day class. And you cannot take leave. You cannot take leave. But I thought he would be going. But he came here. I had a reluctant admiration towards him. Ampada. You didn't go for the marriage. You came to the class. Here, such a greater knowledge cannot be expected from a prisoner. Usually, prisoners will be less educated. Am I right? Oh, nowadays, prisoners are very highly educated people, isn't it? No, nowadays, prisoners are very highly educated people. As we say prisoner, generally we think that lesser educated people. So we cannot expect such a kind of knowledge. That is also science. Trisodium citrate. What is that? Citrate? Citra I have seen, isn't it? Citra, Karthik. One citra is there, isn't it? What is citra? What is
Something
citra?
related to citrus.
Dresso.
Citrus.
Citrus. What is citra? Citra. Basil, what is citra? Citra is the patent name of a cool drink. Citra. Citra, isn't it? So, Citra, here, citrates. This criminal knows even science, chemistry. So, the governor had to appreciate. But if I appreciate, what will happen? He will be superior and I will be inferior. Clear now? These are the thoughts behind that reluctant admiration. We learn something new every day. Hey, bye. Every day we learn something. Every day we learn something new. Come on, my lads. Come, my dear boy. Events made no resistance. Show no resistance because already the governor had told all around the hotel, police is waiting. So I cannot run. He cannot run. So he did not show any kind of resistance. Calmly, peacefully, he went with him. Evans made no sign of resistance, and side by side, the two men walked slowly down the stairs. Tell me, Evans, how did you manage to plan all this business? You are a very clever boy. I appreciate you. Still, tell me, tell me. Eh? Ashish, last year Ashish was, where is Ashish? Oh, today you are, I called for Shubham, but from my mouth came Ashish. Okay, Ashish. Last year Ashish was getting very poor marks. Suppose he is a good boy. But imagine, last year he was getting very poor marks. This year in all the examination, he is getting 92, 93, 92, 89 percentage. Ashish, am I right? So one day I called him, Ashish, come here. My dear boy, tell me, what is the secret behind? How did you get these marks? Sir, nothing, sir. I can open the book and copy down, isn't it? Isn't it? Now, CBSE exam is coming. Where from you copy down? So here he says, tell me, my dear, how did you manage all these things being alone in the cell? You had no visitors. Who brought it? I have seen to that. I have seen to that means I have taken that much care that nobody should come to him. I have given that much importance to you. Still, how did you manage to get all these things? And also, you had no letters also. Nobody has come to meet you to bring, and you had no letter contact also. Sir, Governor, sir, what did you say? I don't have friends. I have a lot of friends. What is that supposed to mean? What do you mean by that? You have enough friends. My German teacher, a tuition teacher was coming there. My German teacher for a start. I started with the German teacher. That means, really, Sevi, really, we were not studying German. We were planning escape during the tuition hours. I started with the German teacher. You mean? But he was from the technical college. He was a professor. Was he a professor? What do you think about him, sir? Was he a professor? Evans was almost enjoying it all now. Evans now enjoy because whatever technique Evans introduced, the the governor could not, governor could not catch it. Evans was almost enjoying it all now. Ever check up on him, sir. God Almighty, God Almighty, there is far more going on than I. There is far more going on than I. Always will be say, everything is going on above my imagination and thinking. Everything was going on above my imagination and thinking. Always will be, sir. Everything ready. Everything ready. Asked the governor as they stood by the reception desk. So by that time they reached the reception. So he asked, everything ready to take him to the jail? The van out in front, sir. The van is ready in front of the gate, said the pretty blondie receptionist. Evans winked at her. That means that blondie girl was a friend of Evans. And she winked back. She also winked back. Underline. Evans winked at her and she winked back at him. It almost made his day. A silent prison officer. You see, underline, a silent prison officer handcuffed the recaptured Evans. Evans was caught back again and he was handcuffed, underline. And together the two men clambered, that silent prison officer and Evans clambered awkwardly into the back seat of the prison van. Both of them got into the prison van, back seat. See you soon, Evans. Governor said, see you soon because I am also coming to the jail. There we will meet. It was almost as if the governor were saying farewell to an old friend after a cocktail party. Adul and myself went for a cocktail party, one large party. And after the party, we spent there, isn't it, Adul? We were spending there 2-3 hours overnight. And by 11 o'clock, we departed. At that time, I said, Adul, see you. Okay, bye. In this way, a governor is saying goodbye to a prisoner. Cheerio, sir. Be happy, sir. I am okay. Are you okay? I am perfect okay, isn't it? Adul, are you perfect okay?
Yes, sir.
The smile itself shows he is watching perfect okay. Okay, okay, okay. Anyway, okay, good. Okay, you can promote a person, okay. So cheerio, sir. Cheerio, sir. I was just wondering. I know your German is pretty good. I am very happy to tell you, Mr. Governor, your German is good. But do you know any more of these modern languages? Your German is good. But let me ask, do you know any other foreign language? Evans settled himself comfortably on the back seat and grinned happily. Nothing really. No, 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 no. I know German only. I don't know any other language. I just happened to notice that you have got some O level Italian classes coming up next September. That's all. Oh, sir. Go and have some classes on Italian. In coming September, I am going to write an Italian O level examination. Clear now? That means if you catch me and keep it in another cell, from there also I will make the escape. What happened to you? Though you know German, I used German and escape. So, sir, try to learn Italian. Elvina, try to learn Italian so that you will be able to go to Italy. Okay. Ah, Elvina is trying to go to Italy. Am I right? I heard so. Eh? Are you trying to go, intending to go to Italy? You, mummy didn't tell you. Okay, 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 okay. Oh, yeah, maybe it may be a surprise. Okay. So, nothing really. I just happened to notice that you have got some O level Italian classes coming up next September. That's all. Perhaps you won't be with us next September, Evans. Evans, you won't be with us till next September. James Roderick Evans appeared to ponder the governor's words deeply. Governor told, you won't be with us next September. You will be shifted to some other place. Oh, yes, yes, I got, sir. No, 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 I won't be with you in the coming September. As the prison van turned right from Chipping Norton onto the Oxford Road, underline, from Chipping Norton onto the Oxford Road, the hitherto, you see, one silent prison officer was there. The silent prison officer unlocked, opened, opened, opened the handcuffs, made him free. So really, that silent prison officer was not real prison officer. He was the man of events. And leaned forward, turned towards to the driver and said, for Christ's sake, get a move on, take the speed. You see, driver, take the speed. It won't take them long to find out. The governor should not, or any police officer should not be able to catch us. Take 120 kilometer per hour. Take the speed. So the driver was also of Evans man. Where do you suggest we make for? Where should we reach? Ask the driver in a broad Scot accent. You see, Scot accent is the clue. Whoever speaks Scot accent is a man of events. What about Newbury? Suggested Evans. So he escaped. The story ends here. The story ends here. So some questions I will send to you. tonight or tomorrow, write the answers. And in the next class, we will go to, we will go to new lesson, the first lesson, third level, third level. It is a fictitious based on psychology. So just to have for a beginning, just read the first page and come. Okay. The rest we will see in the next class, third level. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.